Where are we? Are we in an airplane?
Yes, we are in an airplane, and stop drinking that stuff. It gives you memory loss.
Huh? But where
We are going
we?
to Italy. But why are we going to Italy? Well, I told you like 50 fucking times. But you keep drinking that garbage. That makes you forget value information. And you just don't care, do you?
Huh? Wait. Side effects are dizziness, diarrhea, losing brain cells, panic attacks, Ligma 19, memory loss, and instant death? Hey, save some for me, okay?
Let's hit the flow. Man, this shit is sick, boy. What's up with them beats, boy? Man, this shit is sick, boy. What's up with them beats, man?